Well, I said I'd show you an accuracy test of the 5 pistol crossbow bolts that we produce. I just grabbed 2 of each of them. That's 10 shots. We don't want that bullseye to get too crowded in there, so I'll shoot the 10 shots. You can get an idea of the accuracy. Okay, before we get started, I wanted to show you what I was talking about on these targets. Four by 8 sheets of 2-inch styrofoam. Cut them in 3 equal parts, and you have a good target. And you actually have good targets for about 4 different days. I drew a 6-inch bullseye, so you have an idea of how it's going. I'm going to zoom in on this so you can see where the bolts hit. Guess that's as much as it gets. So we'll shoot the bolts and go from there. I'm not shooting them in any particular order, I'm just shooting. By the way, we're a little over 30 feet. I'm picking 1 of each, and then I'll go back and shoot them again. The other bolt. Now, I'm 75 years old. So if I can hit the bullseye, there's no reason in the world you can't. Getting a little crowded in there. That's why I didn't want to shoot more than 10 bolts. Now, if I can hit all those in the bullseye like that, there's no reason in the world why you can't as well. These are good bolts. They'll do a lot of good. You'll have a lot of fun with them. And you can have tournaments. Anyway, I got one more thing to show you, and that'll be the end of this video. Well, I just wanted to get a little closer shot of the accuracy of these bolts. As you can tell, really nice tight little group there. One of them just outside of the 6-inch bullseye. Well, not outside. It didn't count enough things. Anyway, hope this demo answers a few questions for you, and hope you enjoy.